So we're back with a brand new product. This is the Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC. Poly's name sounds new to you. When the merger between HP and Plantronics happened, Plantronics changed their name to Poly, which is a really cool kind of change in design, very shortened. But let's open this up and see what this is. Ooh, I like that case. That is a solid case. So we've actually been a fan of Plantronics headsets for quite some time and have been an avid user of them. But these, look, ooh, those really rotate around. Damn, that's nice. Oh, those are super comfortable. Wow. Over the ear design, really soft padding on the top, and it's got like a glide technology, and these soft little cords also look really dope. You get your control interfaces here on the bottom. You've got clearly an off, on, Bluetooth setting, hold to set for Bluetooth. This is an action button where this is a USB-C. It looks like you have external speakers here, probably to pick up probably to pick up external hearing noises. And then, of course, you've got a Teams or phone action sensor here, it looks like. So get the accessories. Some silicate packets to make sure to take care of. And then we've got a USB-C to USB-C cord. And then it looks like this is a adapter, USB-C wireless dongle. That's really cool. Then we've got an adapter from USB-C to USB-A. And then we have a USB-C to aux cable. That's really cool. So this has got you so many options to get you connected to make sure that you're not being left behind either by newer devices, newer options, older technology. You've got something to connect this thing with, which is solid. So I was right. These front-facing pieces are microphones for ANC, but they are also specifically designed to be microphones to catch you speaking, so you can use these for calls. Now, on this right ear, you do have the ability to give it commands. Yeah. On this right ear, you have the ability to give it commands. A simple tap will basically have it answer phone calls, do actions specifically in like Teams meetings, play your music, as well as activate ANC with active noise cancellation. You can also swipe down to lower the volume. You can swipe up to raise the volume. You can also tap to pause to play your music once it's going, and then skip forward or go back to the next song, which is really solid. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these. We're actually going to connect these to a device so you can actually hear them, and we're going to play some Vivaldi for you so you can see the quality of them. But I'm going to tell you right now, I am loving the softness of the over-the-ears. It's just really comfortable, and it just envelops your ear and gives you really good sound quality. We'll be right back. So that headphone is really amazing. They're designed specifically for Apple products, iPad and iPhone, but they will also work with your Android ones. And then also it's certified to work with Microsoft Teams. It's a new little certification I'm seeing on things these days, which is pretty interesting. It's a really solid, high-powered, high-quality headphone. Hopefully, you guys will pick it up either for yourself as a gift for someone else, or just in general because this is a really, really great set of headphones. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys next time.